Hey guys, welcome to my video. I just wanted to show you a couple of friends I had visit me in my yard before we get into the video. Hope you enjoy. Today is Sunday, it's warm, and some of the snow is melting. That makes me very happy. I'm going to get out here and try to do some work tomorrow. I don't work on Sunday. This is my day to rest. This is my first time trying to split wood, but I'm always looking for ways to get exercise, and back in the day, this is where people got exercise. So I decided to give it a little try. My aim is not quite good, but I figure if I keep on working at it, I will get better. And Mr. G will be happy because he'll have some help. It really was a lot of fun. Good workout too. Spring is right around the corner. Almost garden time. I'll be coming out soon, clearing all this stuff out, and maybe plant a little. I have to check out that greenhouse. I haven't been in there in quite a while. Maybe I'll check it out now. Whew. Pretty warm in here. Oh my goodness. What is it? Wow. 80. Wow. Didn't think it was getting that warm in here. Let's see what damage is done. Everything the cold has gotten to it. But they still look alive. Hopefully they'll perk up soon. Look like this kale is trying to hang in there. I'm gonna see how it does. I'll leave it open, seeing that it's so hot in here, and come back and close it up later on the night because it's supposed to start raining. Then we're gonna get more snow. But I'm gonna enjoy this beautiful day. Well, yesterday it rained all day, but today it's cold. It's 18, but I'm getting out, going for my walk. Can't let the weather stop you, and it's very good to get outside. We need the air. Can't stay in all day, 2 days in a row. I wanted to show you these figs. They're starting to get leaves on them. They're doing quite well. This was just something I tried. I bought a fig. If you looked at my old videos, you've seen it. And I cut these branches off and I rooted them and planted them, and they are growing quite well. These are Chicago figs. It looked like this one still looked like it's alive, but it didn't have any leaves on it, but all the others are doing quite well. Very pleased with this. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Lady P. Peace and love. I'm out.